Sukhasana easy pose. Come into a comfortable seated position and spread your legs along the mat. Now, cross the legs, placing the feet directly below the knees or the thighs. Rest the hands on the knees or the lap with the palms facing up. Make sure to relax the face and jaws. If you wish to, you can close your eyes. It's optional. Now, continue to breathe deeply through the nose and hold the position as long as comfortable.